Izzy, fix it. What are you doing?
About to wash my hands.
How did you get the soap in your hand?
I opened this up and then poured it in my hand. Done.
So, hi everyone, Michelle Fix-It here. Would you like to not have to do that when you want to wash your hands? There's a fix for that. So Izzy, go ahead and wash your hands and I'm going to show you something.
I have no idea what my mommy is about to do.
So we have, oh no, we don't have it. Where is it? We do have it. Okay, so Izzy Fix-It. We have this very handy dandy thing that we can unbox and then do a quick little video on how to install it. Would you like to install something really quick before you have your boiled peanut break?
Sure!
Or would you like Mommy to just magically make it work like Mommy normally does?
No, I'll do it.
Okay. We're waiting impatiently for her to finish washing her hands so she can do Izzy Fix-It stuff. Because if you guys didn't know, she just installed this faucet.
The faucet I just used.
Yes, and she did the pipes. Because she is starting to learn how to do stuff.
And Mommy, when are we going to get a trash can in here?
It'll be here in a couple days. It's being Amazoned. It was not a 2-day delivery. Alright, so why don't you unbox the bag? Which sounds kind of funny. Oh, somebody's at the door. Gotta pause. So continue on with your unboxing, Izzy. Or unbagging, I guess.
Box bag.
Mm-hmm.
Apple.
Yes, buddy.
And also, if you are wondering how to make boiled peanuts, all you need is 2 bolts and then make them how you usually make peanuts.
Yes, she was in the midst of making boiled peanuts, and then I saw her do the soap thing, so I figured it'd be a perfect opportunity to show you guys this cool thing that we got on Amazon. Okay. Alright, so okay, so she doesn't know. I will help.
Oh! Okay, now I understand this. This is a cool little mechanism.
So essentially this guy is going to go into the sink. It's going to get turned from the back side underneath the sink. This hose that's right here is going to go into here, and then we will have one of these tip guys that will go directly into this bottle and it will live underneath the sink. How cool is that?
Cool.
Super cool. All right, so put you guys on the handy dandy tripod and then speed this process up because they do need to have boiled peanuts. So I'm going to grab this guy. Okay. Well, show them. You have to show them when you're doing stuff because they have to learn during this process.
Process of elimination.
Not process of elimination, it's a learning process. Alright, and then in the background I am taking the rubber band off of this, and then it expands.
Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Makes a silly noise.
Alright, and then our instructions say that we are, so this part, this goes up, has a one-way valve to it clearly, which is cool. So this is going to go in the bottle. This is going to end up going into the receptacle top part. Dropping plumber's tape.
I'm learning science.
She's learning science. We're going to shove this. Here, hold that. Or actually, we're going to have to stick this through here.
Tube.
This goes to the pump.
It's a tube of illumination.
I'm going to push it forcefully in there. Make sure it's got a good seal. Get the door again, pausing. And she's back. So now you're going to stick the hose in there. And then stick that in there.
That's smacking my arm.
Okay. And then you're going to get your washer.
washers.
Okay. So you're going to do your washers, and then you're going to get this guy. Okay, so actually pull that back out again because one washer is going to be the beginning portion of that. So when you are provided 2 washers, you will separate them with the metal apparatus, and you stick this in here. The metal apparatus in this instance is the sink. All right, so now go ahead and stick it back in there.
It's a sunk. Sink. Jinx.
And then you are going to have this washer with this, and you're going to thread it up and then tighten it from the back end of it. All right, here you go. So you're going to go underneath the sink. Again. And you're going to thread it through.
One second step ahead of you.
And then feed it all the way back up to that top piece right there. You'll see it if you smushes yourself in there.
I'm having trouble doing this. Mommy, can you do this?
Do you want me to hold this? I got this. All right, I'm holding the top part of it.
No, this is too hard.
Too hard?
Too hard.
All right, we'll get out of there, and then you hold the top part so it doesn't move around. All right, now we're under here. Stuff you guys a little height. All right, so that's where she was reaching for. And it is kind of a tight squeeze. But she did get it attached. And you just tighten it up. It's hard to do with you guys. It would have been nice if they didn't make this such a long threaded pipe. And now it's tight. So get yourself out of the cubby. Alright, and then we need the Dawn.
Dawn?
Alright, take the top off of it, put it in there.
Literally take the top off of it.
You're going to open up the bag, find an appropriate topper. We have to see which one fits. Oh look, got the first one. Alright,
Whoa,
then you're going to
lucky.
put this with this.
That part was the hardest part in the whole entire world.
And you're going to make sure that this, the length of the hose, ends up being the whole length of the bottle. So this cap needs to be all the way here in order for this to function properly.
Okay. I'm gonna leave a tiny little space in there I can soak up all the stuff.
Okay, now you put the hose in the soap. Okay, scooch it back there. And yes, we know we have to work on this. This kitchen is a work in progress. All right, and we're gonna come up here.
Test it.
We had to move it. There we go. Okay, well, that may end up being like a weird thing with it. Okay, there we go. All right.
Nice.
So smush and smush and smush until you get soap. We're checking. Keep going. Keep going. Takes a little while for the soap to get all the way up there. You're about halfway there, Izzy. We are watching the soap slowly get there. It's like she's doing CPR on the soap. All right, okay. It should be coming pretty soon. All right, let's see. Come on, soap. At some point. Okay, no, stop, because it's almost there. It's gonna like shoot out at you. Seriously, soap, we saw that you were almost there. Are you camera shy? Like, why won't you just soap? Okay, let me see. Okay, well, hang on, slow down. Maybe it's got some air in the like valve. Okay, I can hear it now. So do it slow. See? You can hear it. Because otherwise it would have been like pshaw all over you. And now we have soap. Okay. Yay! So Izzy, now you can wash your hands. Because you need to wash your hands again.
You wash my hands again.
Now, isn't that so much more convenient than getting the bottle of soap, opening the bottle of soap, putting the soap in the hands, washing the hands, putting the bottle of soap back up again? Now you have two things to be proud of.
And a whole hand of hand.
What? That doesn't even make sense. You have a whole pair of hands?
I have a whole hand of soap.
Oh, okay.
This is how you wash hands.
Because mommy taught you how to wash your hands properly.
Yes.
All right. Well, why don't you turn your water back on? I know I'm messing up your little process. Well, okay, so you are supposed to like use your wrist for bacteria and stuff, germs, all that stuff. That's how to say like and subscribe and get a soap dispenser.
Like and subscribe and have a great day and get a soap dispenser so now you won't have to keep on grabbing your soap, putting your soap back every time that you want to wash your hands. And every time you want to clean dishes. And every time you want to do anything.
And just a reminder, it's not a sponsored video. It's not an anything kind of video. It's just a we're playing around video. And so I might remember to put an Amazon link on here. I'm not really 100% sure. But you guys, if you're new to DIY, we're proud of you. We think you are going to very likely become awesome at it. And if Izzy can do it, you can do it. Right, Izzy?
Yes. If a 12-year-old, if a
12-year-old can do it, you can do it.
So can you.
Yes. Oh, I know I can do it. I'm the one teaching you how to do it. It's the interesting duo where it's like mommy teaching daughter about home repairs and vehicular repairs and all that stuff. Like,
but never
we don't do gender roles.
Mommy is teaching this child how to do stuff.
We don't do gender roles in this household. Anyways, you guys like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day. If you're new to DIY, we believe in you. We'll see you next time. Bye.